right, good afternoon. Here we are. We're going to do a cold startup and a test drive of this 300D Mercedes. Hop on in, we'll go for a ride. Glow plugs on. Turn that off. All right, here we go. It's going to be a little difficult in traffic, but we'll do the best we can. See if you can get it, so you can see the cold on the. That way you know that was a cold start. Back here, see if we can get some room. There's 50 in a 20-mile-an-hour zone. All right, there's a cold start and a quick test drive around the block in this 300D. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.